What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. We got the $100 BMW right here. So what we're doing today is strapping the back up, yanking it with the Subi. I got it kind of ready. Come around here. I have no way of getting into the trunk of this thing. It is being a complete pain in my arse. And yeah, I tried sticking the key in, but it just makes a clicking noise on this side. If anybody knows, comment down below. So this tail light is staying in right now. I don't know if it is going to be a good idea without looping it through here, but there's no way I can actually loop it anyways. So what I'm going to actually end up doing is just putting the rope right around here, the bash bar, and then attaching it to the frame rail of the Subi, and then reversing it, hopefully pulling a little bit of the damage out. This part is super rusty, so I don't think it'll pull. I honestly think it's gonna completely just snap or do something, but I just want to make this trunk a little bit better. You can see that it's popped up right here, and that's because it is pushed in on that side. So I got my handy dandy rope right here. Grab her. I'm gonna slide her onto the bash bar and then hook this side up to the Subaru, and we're gonna get pulling. Well, that didn't work at all. I think it's just pulling the BMW a little bit closer. So what I'm going to do is put some chocks underneath it, tighten the e-brake a little bit more, and pretty sure it's in gear, but put it in gear if not. And then we are going to try and pull her again. Check it out, so. All right, try number 2. Alright, I'm not too sure if that did anything. It almost kind of looks like it is pulling out. It definitely did. So the bash bar got pulled out pretty good. Probably do another yank on that thing. I remember it was a little bit closer to that, so that's awesome. Now I gotta figure out how to get into this trunk so I can wrap it around that part right there and get a good enough pull to pull out that QP section a little bit. Alright, Kevin got here, he's helping me out. This thing is nasty. So we're trying to get the trunk open, and I found out a way you can do it, but you have to get the top up. And I started taking pieces back here.
I found a swimming pool. Look.
Oh no, dude.
It's like floating.
This is, oh.
There's a pencil.
Okay, we gotta take this out. Oh, that is the nastiest, most moldy thing I've ever seen. I feel like I should just completely strip this thing, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, just got some oil, some paper towels, and some gloves. Got Kevin back here with the mold, and he's pulling out the seats. I've decided that I'm just going to strip this car. There's no sense I keep all this stuff back here. There's no saving all this. Check this out. So I pulled this bottom part, and then look at that, pouring out rust water. I swear this thing is like 10 pounds, but with all the water it's like 30 pounds. And this is disgusting too. So all this is gonna be thrown away. Oh, this thing is nasty. Yeah, that's definitely like 50 pounds, all that.
It's like a football.
And then I just came back here and I was checking down here and I pushed, and there's a pool of water down there that we're just gonna drive this up to the vacuum pump over by the gas station and then just slurp all this shit out. Alright, so I guess we're gonna pour some oil in this thing and then yeah, take it to, oh wait, my kidney. I pulled out the kidney because I was gonna pull that out.
Too much?
Which I think I will still pull that out. Alright, I got some 040 European car formula, and this car's oil light's been turning on every time I brake, so hopefully this fixes it. That's the dipstick right back there. Oh fuck. Oh shit, wow. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Dude, stop.
Oh shit, 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 shit. That's probably good, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh man. Alright, hold this. We just got back from the gas station and I slurped up all the water, but I did a pull on the way here and there's more water. So I'm thinking they're coming out of like these things, or maybe this thing. Maybe like splashing. I don't even know, dude. Maybe just through that seat, the seatbelt thing. But we're trying to take this thing off to get access to the trunk, but I read that you can't get access to it through here, so Kevin thinks we can.
Yep. Let's just see, because doesn't every car have that little feature for like kidnapping people?
I think, I don't know.
Get thrown in the trunk.
What is that? So we got the trunk open. It's easy as that. Come inside here. I got all the lights out of the broken taillight because, yeah, I can't put that one in. But I got access to this point, so I'm gonna wrap the rope through here and then bust it out of this little side hole and then hopefully pull that. But I don't think I can do it with the Subi because the BMW is too wonky. Like, it's just walking forward slowly and slowly. So I'm gonna have to figure out something with that. Right now we're doing the front end. So finally got access to this point right here, and I think it's at a perfect level to pop out. So I'm gonna tie this to that.
There's Jonah with his redneck engineering. Alright, this will work perfectly.
Okay, so just go slow, right? Oh, it's raining, bro.
I know, hard.
Alright, get it.
A little bit more. Alright, stop. It's straight. But there's a little crunch right here though,
It
and
looks
then like
way better though.
look right here,
Okay.
yeah, but that's hella nice.
Okay.
Okay, so you got this part pretty much straightened out, and then like right here, you could obviously see it. So get him. He's gonna pull it again with the Subi. Yeah. Go. Keep going. Go a little bit more. Stop. Wait, go back. More. Stop. Oh shit, that kind of went too far, but it's good. See, it's lined up now, but that part got fucked up a little bit.
And just like that, she's mint. Would that be classified as clean title, Kev?
No.
This popped in perfectly clean. I think it looks good, just need that extra corner light and then nobody's gonna even know. So right now we're gonna turn the BMW around, we're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna try to pull out this back section. Alright dude, what's your hypothesis on this? You think it's gonna work or you think that's too crunched?
Should be good.
About to pull this thing. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let it roll back first. Oh
Oh, I can't see. No. Nothing. Yeah, you like drag the car backwards.
The front turned out really good, but the back side did not at all. This is still popped up, and that's still messed up. But I have to get a new taillight anyways. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to attach that to like a tree. Do you have a tree in your yard we can use?